Jisoo! Let go!
Why are they taking Jisoo? And why is Minho crying?
Hello, welcome. Here are your menus.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
1 bulgogi and 2 kimchi jjigae.
And a bottle of soju, please.
Oh, an extra banchan.
I told you to be faster. This is unacceptable. If you can't keep up, you're out. Understand? Minho, what is acceptable? A small mistake like this is a disaster.
I'm sorry, sir.
We'll have the bulgogi and kimchi stew.
And 2 beers, please. Wow, that looks amazing.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy. Oh, let me get that for you. Thanks, Minho. You're a lifesaver. No problem at all. Here is your order.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Jisoo.
Good morning, CEO.
Good morning.
Have a good day.
You too.
Everyone knows her.
Morning, Jisoo. Hello, Jisoo. Great to see you. Let's go over these reports. Yes, the projections look good. Another busy day. Yes, what's on the schedule? We need to finalize the Q3 plans. Understood. Finally, the day ends. Dinner plans. How about we all go out after work? Yes, I know a great spot nearby. Sounds perfect. I'm in. Time to relax. All right, team, let's move. Yes, Jisoo, right behind you. The car is waiting outside.
Just another evening.
Long day, CEO. Just another evening.
Or so she thinks.
This is so good. Right? Perfect for tonight. I can't wait for dinner.
The city lights are incredible tonight. It's magical. I can't wait for dinner. The reviews are amazing. I know, right?